So today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy package. So let's get on with the first squishy. And I'm going to tell you how it smells. And well, I really don't know what they smell like, but I'll just say that. So I'll go from the one I've had first, second, and third. Right now I have 3, and my jumbo panda should be arriving. Jumbo medium panda, I don't know, jumbo medium panda bun should be arriving maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, because I went to the mail and it's not there yet. And another little panda bun, so I'll make sure to do a video on that. So let's get on with the video. First squishy is a okay, there we go. First squishy is this macaron. It's pretty squishy. It's not slow. It's not that slow rising, but I mean, I like it. Pretty. I like it. This one does have a little defects on them, if you can see in the back right there. But I actually really don't mind. And this, I accidentally did this with, like, I took out the keychain thing, so it's my fault. My friend actually gave this to me. I'll put her channel down in the description. So squishy. I make fun of her sometimes. Okay, and next squish, I got it. Oh, it just, I don't really know what it smells like. It doesn't really have this smell because, like, I got it a long time ago, but I mean, with the other ones, I'll try to describe what it smells like. The next squishy I have is a panda bun. Who doesn't have a panda bun if you're a squishy collector? I mean, right? Just kidding, you don't need to have a panda bun, but most squishy collectors have panda buns. But this is the one I got. I got just a normal color one, and I might get my, in the beginning of the video I said that I'm gonna get another panda bun. I might get a green one. So yeah. So I can't wait to get my other panda bun. And these are from Wish. Those are like, Wish is this app where there's like a bunch of cheap stuff. Like, they work, but they're like, they take forever to come. But my other panda bun, and it was from eBay, so I don't think it'll take that much, but I don't know. So that's my panda bun. It's pretty slow rising. Yay! And it comes with, you know, that little keychain. It came attached, because some like it comes disattached, so it doesn't come attached. Look at this little thing. Sorry, I just had to take I went to the restroom. Okay, what was I on? I was talking about my green panda bun that's gonna come. I don't know. Okay, so this is the panda bun, and it's the one with the tongue sticking out. I mean, it kind of smells like, oh god. Let me just smell it a little bit. I don't know what it smells like. Get it squishy and then you smell it. I mean, I don't know what it smells like. So they did come in packaging, except for the macaron, because the macaron, my friend gave it to me, but they didn't come in packaging. The panda bun and the other one I'm going to show you did come in packaging though. This is the other one. I don't know what this one is, but I mean, I'm like right here in my window. But like the sun just like too hard. I don't need that good lighting. It's not even the lighting. Okay, anyways, so this is the squishy I got, and it does come with the packaging. And these squishies, they make like that noise, like so new. So this is my squishy. Okay, I'm gonna see if you could hear this. I don't know if that was the post I was doing. Yes, I closed the door. So this is the squishy. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the sound thing, okay? Okay, ready? Do you hear that? It's like I don't know if you could hear that, but I mean, not that satisfying, but I like it. So those are my squishes. Hopefully I'll be getting some more later. I just put my flashlight on. I don't know why. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll put my friend's channel down in the below. She's the one that gave me the macaron. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Okay. Bye.